How good are Panasonic OLED TVs? Panasonic OLED TVs are known for their exceptional picture quality, accurate colors, and advanced HDR performance. They feature Hollywood-tuned displays, premium Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus support, and high-end sound systems, making them a top choice for home cinema enthusiasts and gamers. 1. Outstanding picture quality and OLED panel technology. Panasonic OLED TVs use self-emissive OLED panels, delivering perfect blacks, vibrant colors, and infinite contrast. Their HCX Pro AI processor enhances sharpness, motion handling, and color accuracy, creating a cinematic viewing experience. 2. Advanced HDR support and Dolby Vision. These TVs support HDR10, HDR10 Plus, HLG, and Dolby Vision, optimizing brightness and contrast for dynamic, lifelike images. The Dolby Vision IQ feature adjusts HDR settings based on ambient lighting, ensuring an optimal picture in any room condition. 3. Professional color accuracy and Hollywood tuning. Panasonic collaborates with Hollywood filmmakers to fine-tune their OLED TVs, ensuring true-to-life colors and cinematic-grade visuals. Their filmmaker mode preserves original director's intent, making them ideal for movie lovers. 4th, gaming features and low input lag. With HDMI 2.1 support, variable refresh rate, VRR, and a 120 Hz refresh rate, Panasonic OLED TVs offer smooth motion and reduced lag, making them great for PS5 and Xbox Series X gaming. Their Game Mode Extreme further enhances response times and performance. 5th, premium sound and Dolby Atmos audio. Panasonic integrates Dolby Atmos and built-in high-quality speakers, providing immersive 3D surround sound. Some models feature tuned by Technic's audio systems, delivering clear and rich sound without needing external speakers. 6. Smart TV features and streaming options. Running on My Home Screen OS, Panasonic OLED TVs support Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and other popular apps. They also work with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, offering voice control and smart home integration. Panasonic OLED TVs stand out for their superior picture quality, HDR performance, gaming features, and premium sound, making them an excellent choice for movie lovers, gamers, and home theater enthusiasts. Their Hollywood-grade tuning and advanced technology ensure an exceptional viewing experience.